Welcome back. My name is Teresa and I just scared you, didn't I? I'm also very much hands. You like that? I do too. If you could see me right now, you would be really creeped out. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth for sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, I'm doing the Macarena. This is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our time fondly. We have an Ipsy unboxing, y'all. Okay, so can I first say thank you so much to the people in the comments as well as tweeting me that I am so terribly wrong about this subscription box. Obviously a lot of things have changed since I've become an Ipsy member, and by the way, this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus.
Long time ago when I had this bag,
it was very different. You couldn't make any choices. There was no add-ons, okay? It wasn't like Uber Eats. I can order from McDonald's and then also ask them to go to 7-Eleven. It didn't exist, okay? However, this is something different. So with that said, let me tell you a little bit about Ipsy Glam Bag Plus.
all the faves you love, full size. Glam Bag Plus delivers you 5 personalized, full-size beauty products worth over $120 in a themed drawstring bag. Whether you're trying the best and busiest brands or restocking your supply, there's always so much to love because you get to pick 3 of your 5 products each month.
So you heard right, boys. You get to pick 3 out of your 5 products, so therefore making you less disappointed. In addition to picking your choices for the month, you also get a slew. I don't know why I'm grabbing you today, but I love it. You get a slew of options on things that you can add on. So for today, I actually added 1 additional item because I just really wanted to try it because my daughter, Smoky Glow Hannah, I remember in one video, she was like,
I swear to God.
First of all, she doesn't even have this accent, but whatever, I'm literally giving it to her.
Oh my God, I love this foundation so much. I'm gonna wear it when I get married.
And I was like, oh my God, if my daughter loves it, then I'm gonna love it. Anyway, so I picked up the Kosas Tinted Oil Foundation Moisturizer Oil. I don't know, whatever. I'll fucking pull it out in a second. But anyway, before I do that, that was the only thing I purchased. So kind of right off the bat, I really like that about Ipsy, that I'm able to at least pick some of my disappointments as well as get additional products that, you know, I have been interested in trying, but I didn't want to pay full price for. That's the other thing I failed to mention. The Kosas Foundation, I did get it discounted. So if I hate it, at least I didn't pay full price. That being said, you get this cute little drawstring, which looks like a bunch of ladies, probably for International Women's Day. So hooray, why get equal wages and we can get this bag. Yeah. All right, let's open this up.
Ooh.
All right, so this is the thing that I was talking about. This is from Kosas. This is the tinted face oil, and I got it in the shade 3, fair with cool undertones. Ooh, I like the box. It's so simple. It's so Gen Z. I fucking love it. Oh, actually, hold on. Wait. We get this wonderful pamphlet that says stronger together, like Cher and Dion and red lipstick and a cat eye. Some things are just better together. Oh God, okay. Create the people and products that make you look and feel your best. Okay, we love that. The future is female. You got this. You got this, Glen Coco. You got this. Discover the mood boosting effects of these hues to amp up your look. So apparently if you want to be red, it's energy, strength, leadership. Okay. How to wear it. Swipe on a crimson lipstick to power through presentation. I'm pretty sure a man wrote that one, all right. Pink, sincerity, love, compassion. How to wear it. Bring it on, self-love with an all-over monochromatic rose look. All right, okay. Orange, creativity, inspiration, confidence. How to wear it. Dust on a peachy orange blush to get your creative juices flowing. I was gonna make a really obscene hand gesture, but I guess I'll save it for International Women's Day. Yellow, optimistic, joy, cheerful. How to wear it. A sunshine-hued mani will definitely, actually, you know what? Before I had these cotton candy colored nails, I actually had yellow nails. Missed motherfucking opportunity. Ugh. God, a sunshine-hued mani will definitely spark joy, and it's perfect for spring. Green, gentle, healing growth. How to wear it? A wash of mint green shadow will help you rise above any bad vibes. Okay. Blue, sensitive, calm, peaceful. How to wear it. Need some zen in your day? Try a navy blue liner to soothe an active mind. What the fuck does that even mean? Violet, magical, open-minded, imaginative. How to wear it? Sweep an icy lavender highlighter over cheekbones for an otherworldly effect. Or a nice way of saying a very slutty effect, which, listen, we are all alien sluts here. Let's call it what it is. I'm all about being Violet. Being an alien slut, sign me the fuck up. Now with that said, so let's talk about the 3 products that I picked and I'll tell you why. Actually, I don't have anything funny to say about why I picked them. I think I just panicked and picked these, so it's not really a fun story, I'm sorry, I know. Ever since the pandemic started, I lost my storytelling capabilities. What can I fucking say? Let's talk about House Laboratories. Ooh. This is the first thing that I have from House Laboratories because everything that has been launched from this brand has been so motherfucking underwhelming.
Underwhelming, okay?
Okay, Chelsea, it's been fucking underwhelming. So I was very intrigued to see that this was listed as a possible option. This, my dear, I don't even know what the fuck is this? Oh, fuck, I don't want this. What? Oh, god damn it. Brow and Lash Sparkle Topper. Fuck. Okay, so I thought, y'all, if you're gonna learn anything from me, just make sure you read. I thought it was gonna be one of the toppers that she came out with. Instead, this is some weird lash thingy. I don't know. What the fuck is this? There's a light amount of glitter bukkake in this. You know what I'm gonna do? I know I always have characters that I always talk about, like when I wear a certain kind of lipstick, reminds me of a real estate agent from Reno, Nevada that had a slight gambling problem. Whatever. I always have like these little stories for people that I make up when I look at lipstick colors. Fuck it, we're going to do something with this. I am not gonna let it waste. We are gonna invent some sort of character that really loves black eyebrows with some fucking sparkles in them. What else can you do with this? What is this? Do not use inside of eye. Oh god. All right, we're gonna make this work, okay? We're gonna make this work. That is cool. Oh god. Oh god. The glitter sparkle shit. Fuck. All right, we're gonna make this work. I hate it, but we're gonna make this work. All right, speaking of other disappointing things, let's talk about this. This is from Florence by Mills, and this is the Glow Yeah Lip Oil.
Ooh.
Okay, all right. Ooh, that's fun. Ooh, it does not feel sticky. It feels quite hydrating. All right, let's pop this bitch on. I really hope to God this has a mirror in it. Otherwise, this was all for nothing, baby. Ooh, yeah, okay. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, hold on. Okay, this feels really lovely on my lips, so kudos to them. It also kind of like seeps out a little bit, kind of a little cummy, but whatever, you know what? I'll make use of it. I like this. It feels nice. It does kind of have a little bit of a taste to it, which I'm not mad about, so I'm fat, so I probably will fucking eat this. So in any case, I actually don't mind this. When I need to have shiny lips, I could use this. All right, so the next thing is, what the fuck is this from? This is from Complex Culture. So essentially, this is a cream to powder highlighting duo. These are the 2 shades. Ooh, that does,
Ooh, bitch.
okay. That feels really nice. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, that's, what the fuck? Oh my God, that's surprising. That is surprising. Oh my God, I feel so slutty. I love it. Hold on, let's try the other shade. The other shade. Ooh, okay, I thought it was actually going to be kind of dark. Oh, fuck. I think I could actually kind of get away with that shade a little bit. A summer shade. Let's not get crazy here, okay? Because I look like fucking uncooked chicken, all right? But damn, that feels nice, though. These are really, really nice. Oh my, I'm actually pleasantly surprised with these. Oh, shit. All right, I'm honestly really, really excited to get this. This is really fucking cool. I'll definitely update you in the future about longevity and everything, but so far, so fucking good. So here are the 2 products that are the surprises. The first one is from MOTD, which I believe is Makeup of the Day, if I'm not mistaken. It's a nice little brush set. Can I tell you, when I first started my channel and I opened my P.O. box, MOTD actually sent me some of their brushes and they sent me a coupon code and I opened it too late, so nobody ever got to use it. But anyway, I actually kept it because I want to frame it because it was like the first time that I ever got a code and I was like, I literally shit my pants. So hold on, let me show you.
2,000 years later.
Funny story, I don't know where it is. But I swear to God I had it, y'all. Okay, anyway, so here are some brushes. Oh, these are really nice. I actually have a couple of my MOTD brushes still. So it looks like you have a nice little pencil brush. And I've always liked the bristles and the quality of them. So I just never, you know, got to sling that Morphe code, you know what I mean? This is a smudger brush. Very nice. Ooh, yes, bitch. We have a straight to the point, which looks like a beautiful eyeliner brush. No fudge, just smudge. It looks like a beautiful little concealer brush or a little packing brush. Actually, this is gonna be perfect for the inner corner when I'm applying shimmer shades. And then last but not least, we have the Masterpiece Crease Brush, which I really appreciate that these brushes are very hooded eye friendly. So that's super fucking great. Love that. And last but certainly not least, we have the Venice Fling palette, which is from Estate in collaboration with Bailey Sarian, which we all love here. We love us. We all love that here, okay? Anyway, I'm super fucking excited to try this out though. I've never tried anything from Estate Cosmetics, so I'm intrigued to see what the quality is all about. It's very pretty though. You get a nice little mirror here. Let's swatch some of these shades. Hold please. Okay, so here are the swatches. They don't feel all that great. The mattes and the shimmers kind of feel very stiff. The matte shades have a slight texture to them. Didn't really feel all that good when swatching, and the shimmers kind of have a little bit of a grit, a little bit of texture to them. I feel like some of the swatches look better than others, but at the end of the day, we all know that swatches don't tell the full complete story. So if you are interested in me reviewing this palette, throw down like a 3. Throw a 3 in the comments. Let me know. If there's enough generated interest, I'll definitely include this in a bite-sized review. If not, I will try to remember to leave a pinned comment on this video to be like, hey, this was great, or this is fucking garbage. I'll let you know. But if you want to see an actual video, let me know down below by pressing 3. The palette is very pretty though. Like, I like the aesthetic of it. I think a little bit more than the actual color story. So, in any case, congratulations, Bailey. That is really cool to have a fucking palette. That's super awesome. We love that. Oh shit, I forgot to show you the fucking shade that I got, right? Okay, that, all right. I don't think that's really my shade, but we will make it work. It's very, very warm leaning, like offensively warm leaning. Like, I feel like it looks like I've been tanning, but I haven't. So maybe this might have not been the best for me. Also, it's really fucking liquidy. Okay, whatever. We're gonna try this, but you could see that, yeah, I look a little fucking bronze here, boys. I mean, like I said before, I didn't pay full price for it, so I'm not that fucking mad about it. And maybe this is one of those things where maybe it won't look so bad. Okay, the more I keep massaging in, the worse it feel like it fucking, actually no, it's starting to look better. Okay. This is my summer shade. This is my summer shade, bitch. All right, hold please. So for this whole bag, including the add-on, I spent $45.94. And you know what? I'm not that mad about it. This was a gamble, so I knew that. Oh my God, I feel like this is so fucking liquidy. Oh, bitch, you are so messy. Okay.
Fine.
We're gonna keep her upright. Shake well before, oh, I should have shook it. Maybe that was my problem. You like that? Okay, sorry. I would say the thing that I'm kind of the least excited about is this House Laboratories thing, because it looks like it's bullshit. So this is the thing that I'm like, get out of here. Get out of here, Clara, okay? The brushes I totally love because they're actually a really good size for my hooded eyes. And I really love the quality of MOTD. I actually really like this stupid fucking lip oil. This is kind of fun. And it feels really nice and hydrating on my lips. So super fucking excited for that one. This is like the MVP right here, bitch. I was not expecting this. I need to put this on my face. I cannot wait to put this on my face. Super fucking excited about this one. This one was really awesome to have. This palette, you know, kind of based on the swatches, is I want to like it a little bit more, but like I said before, swatches don't tell you the full story, so maybe this might be a complete fucking home run and be much better than what I expected. That being said, you know what? For 45 bucks, not mad about it. Not mad about it at all, actually. I feel like I'm definitely gonna be getting use out of these products. This one, not so fucking much, but we're gonna use this in a future video. So help me God. Now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you do get Ipsy and if these are the items that you got or you chose something different. And if you got any add-ons, let me know what you got because I would love to hear from y'all. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. You like what I'm doing here? I love it too. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, to all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies. Thank you so much for being adorably delicious, garbage-filled little almond croissants that I just want to eat up and love up on, which sounds kind of creepy when I say it in that order, but whatever. Listen, y'all get me. I get you. I love you. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, along with where to get my podcasts and my merch, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little pumpkins later. What am I, principal's office? I'll see you little pumpkins later. Again, I don't know. I'm like, just waiting. Okay, I'm waiting like a nervous mom. I'll see you little pumpkins later. What is this? What am I doing? I'll see you little pumpkins. I'll see you little pumpkins later. Bye. Again, the grabbing and the feeling and the touching and the loving, and just glad you're here.